Can you tell that there's a baby bunny in here? There she is right there. Can't really tell. But look, there you can see the little tiny bunny right here. I have to be quiet because she is like a newborn. She literally couldn't even open her eyes a couple days ago. But whenever we were cutting down a tree, a dead tree, she was inside of it along with 2 other babies. And the mom, I guess she got like ran off whenever the tornado came. So, and then her other 2 siblings died. That was very sad. So we took her today and put her in here. We gave her some kitten milk and some water. I put some Timothy hay in there. This is how big her area is. So, also, if you can hear yelling, it's because my mom and my brother doesn't want to do his homework. So that's what they're yelling about. But there she is. I'll get a better view, or I'll try. It's dark. But there she is, right there. And I'm not gonna turn the flash on because she is sleeping. She's a very sleepy baby. Hi, cutie patootie. There's her little kitten milk, and then there's the water. And behind here is like bedding and Timothy hay. Timothy hay is what bunnies and like all the little rodent-y animals eat. I really hope that she has a better fate than her siblings. And also, we're not going to keep her as a pet or anything. We're just going to keep her until she's not a baby anymore.